show you how to put in a fuser in a Xerox 7855. Okay, just okay. So we took out another fuser, so we're gonna put in another fuser. So it sits in like that. Then you can see what to do here. Okay. No connections to the cables. You know other fusers, they have cables you connect and stuff.
Yeah.
This one, you just plug it. It's in, so it will connect itself. So I'll show you the other one. So yeah, okay. Then we're gonna close, right? Close that. We're gonna switch on the machine. So but then we're gonna see this how we put it in. You can see this is the older one, so just put it in like that. So you can see there was no connection, so all the connections are here. You can see all the connections are here, so they go in and they plug in itself. It plugs in itself. So this is when it communicates to the computer, it communicates to the machine to get power and all that. You get it. So you would ask yourself, how could that happen? It happens. So other machines have to put cables and stuff, so it feeds in from here. That's the thing. So now we're gonna switch on the machine. Yeah, let me get that. Yeah, well, we connected, so we're switching on the machine now to see. Let's check if we have papers. Okay, we have papers. So but it takes a little longer to switch on. So now we have one thing you got to know. This fuser is still working, but you must be very, very, very good at fixing things, because if I can show you, all this part is gone. If you can get this plastic sleeve, maybe you can get it to work, but for now I don't think it's so easy for a person to do that. You can see this sleeve here, it's broken. I don't know if you can try something like that, but anyway, the objective here is to show you how to put in the fuser. So put in the new one. So let's see, it's not new but second hand, but let's see if it's gonna print. It's a Xerox WorkCentre 7855.
Let's just hope. Asma, do you take anything extra if we need it? Let's take a laptop.
See, some models of Xerox, like the 79 something, when you replace the fuser like that, you gotta reset in the firmware. You gotta do the firmware again, otherwise it's not gonna register. Something.
Yeah, he said like if on some models, if you put in the new fuser, you have to reset the machine so that the firmware can read it, the software of the machine. So if you don't do that, then it don't register, which means you can't use the fuser. Understand? That's the thing. So you got to know on some models, because you might be watching this video and you use it on any model and you have some issues. So if you get issues like that, just know that also you have to reset the machine so that it reads the fuser. I really understand that, like when you do put in a new hardware in a computer, in a PC, sometimes they don't read up until you update Windows or install its software, stuff like that. So it's the same as this, because a machine, it always have a hard drive and a motherboard like a computer. So it has what they call a computer board on it, so which installs the software. So you can hear that beep. Let's see. Okay, you can see. This is something else. Then we can cancel here. Okay, we're gonna try to make a copy. Okay.
You notice it's called user system error. Now this is how you reset this on Xerox. Now
Wait. Okay.
you long press the 0 button.
You long press the 0 button, so you saw the error.
And then you press start at the same time.
Okay.
And then you see this login. So the password is always 678.
You will.
Yes, we're here.
Just ignore this. And then you go on over to maintenance. And this is the code for the fuser. And you reset the counter. After you've done that, you can close all out and you can exit only.
I hope you saw everything, guys. Okay.
32 lines are not set properly, whatever.
Fuser error system.
Yeah. I'm just going to restart the machine. And if it persists, then it means this isn't the right fuser for the machine. Yeah. But it's the same fuser also.
Same fuse. So it shouldn't have any issues.
Because you see, I don't think people just pause the video.
Yeah, guys, we're going to use it. What we do, we're going to replace it because it didn't work out. So which means it's a wrong one, though it's the one we got. But anyway, you saw how to put it in. Don't forget. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video.